So just to kick it off, our first speaker is Ben Leiden University. His title is that he's a research software and data engineer. As a quick bio, Ben is a member of the Center for Digital Scholarship at Leiden Universities, where Ben supports researchers with tools and expertise on processing digital data in their research. From the Page, Ben's From the Page project is currently mostly used as a separate system in educational context, and where possible, they use From the Page to import documents through IIIF manifest. In the future, they hope to allow experts or the general public to use From the Page to add or correct transcriptions for their digital collections. So I will hand it over to Ben.
Thank you, Bethany. Since it was only 5 minutes of time that we have to present, that was the most of my story already. But I'll share my screen and show you a little bit about a little bit of what we have available. So okay, let me first show our transcription platform, our From the Page instance. We started using it in 2017 or so. And it's still officially in a pilot phase. We wanted something to annotate our digital collections, even before our digital collections were really IIIF accessible. So we started with some trials, and from there, word got out that we have it available. And it's now, as Bethany said, mostly used in education. So teachers set up courses around using From the Page for transcription. And where possible, we import existing works through IIIF into From the Page, which was actually a reason to choose From the Page to begin with. And now, since 2020, our digital collections have been made more accessible through IIIF, and that really backs the integration. Going to from our digital collections to From the Page and back. Unfortunately, it's still a dream of mine. Although I'm also currently working with a emeritus professor. I'm not sure if that's the English term as well, a retired professor who works on some English letters that are in our collections. They were imported from our digital collections. Apologies for the switching. But as you can see, these letters, have a handwriting that is not easily readable. OCR, the OCR built into the Islandora repository system does not recognize any of this. We're working on presenting the transcriptions that this professor is making back into our Islandora repository. We haven't got anything yet, but I hope to, this is just a mock-up, I hope to make this link work so that people, either the general public or experts, can help us transcribe works that are unreadable. And that is really my story. It's for now, it's still a dream.